thina sikhula sazi ukuthi umntwana wasematshwaleni mfethu akusowakho uwethu sonke yabo i-social work. Like most people when they are drunk they become horny, guys and women. So what happens ke imeli yami iphuzile somewhere, I'm not there, you know, khona ezinye ke ziyafaka, but I've seen women balahlile umntana avuke angazazi ukuthi yabo usithole kanjani, because indaba yamatshwala even ne defense yakhe, you know, iba loose. I met many women engijole nabo umntana athi ayazi ngiya understand why ungafuni utshwala. I take a dim view makaphuze, and I know ukuthi I cannot trust that woman noma nama friends wakhe, because umuntu makathi no it's a girls night out ngiyazi bazohlangana amajita abafakile ispinza from lapho mfethu amajita expect something, uyazi makasi mfethu ukuthi mfethu siyafaka labantwana zivanabo. So those things they do matter to me. You know, I prefer my woman not to drink alcohol, and other than that, alcohol, I mean, there are guys that you bump into. Who's that? Yes, Buddha. Yes, Buddha. Yes, Buddha.
Alright, groot man.
Yeah.
Maar hy na mtalag nou.
You just talk for